That's Lucia. And then we have Tari there. Lucia no. Don't bother Tari. Tari. Oye, no. ¿Por qué? No. Well, okay, you want to borrow the mobile phone? Okay, take it. You want the mobile phone? Take it. Tari, ven. Tari. It's just having a bit of a nap in there. That's our a piece of grape for Tari. What do you want, Lucia? What are you doing? She's going to make her bed. Oye, no, ¿por qué? No le hagas eso a Tari. Ven, Tarita, ven. Bien, well, she's brave. Oye, no. ¿Por qué? Deja a Tari. ¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Tú tienes hambrita también? ¿Tienes hambrita? Chihuahua tiene hambrita. Deja que Tari venga y se coma ese pedacito y después vamos a buscar algo para comer para ti. ¿Está bien? We're gonna get you some food as well. Chichi. She's a bit jealous. Da un besito. Move your ass. You want to borrow a mobile phone? Are you gonna call mom? You gonna call mom? You gonna complain? You gonna complain to your mom? Look, mira, Tari, mira. Chichi, mira, Tari. Chichi, mira la Tarita.